So this is a quick test to explore the BOS function find safe pos. What I've been trying to do is figure out the blacklist system. So most of this is pretty straightforward. You have a position, and then you have a min dist and a max dist. So this grey is your area in which you can generate something. You can also set a distance from that position away. So that's object distance, minimum distance from the resulting position to the center of nearest object. Okay, you can set it on or off water, gradients, on shore. So these are all pretty straightforward. The blacklist threw me a bit though, because what you need is an array that has a top left and a bottom right corner. So thinking about top left being north west and bottom right being southeast, 315 and 135 respectively. This is the code that I've used to try and figure it out. So just got a basic variable to get the position of the player, and then an initial patrol objective, calling this. Then I'll create an empty array called blacklist. Then I'll create some markers, because this is copy and paste from a previous mission. Then I set that local variable as mission core. So everything is based around this, and then I system string the blacklist array. So then while this is true, this loop is running every second, and what we do is we take a new position using this function, and then we take the params here that we feed this function is the marker position, which is mission core. Mission core is patrol objective. Patrol objective is this initial thing that we found based on the position of the player. So that's the origin. Then this is our range, 600 to 1800. The 3 is this 0, 20, 0. Zero, 20, 0. Then the blacklist is the last one. I haven't got the default position yet. So blacklist is currently an empty array. So this first time you run this, there's no blacklist. Then we create a random string using diacritic time plus a random number, and then linking those together, and then turning that into a string, which is that, and we create a marker of that string at this new position that we found here, initially with no blacklist, but as we move forward this blacklist array will be populated. Then we create the marker ellipse 100 blue, and this is the bit that threw me. So once you've got your new position, you create a top left and a bottom right point. So the top left is new position, get pos 400 meters at 315 degrees, that way. Bottom right, you get new position 400 meters 135, which is this way. So top left, bottom right. Then you you push back a new array consisting of these things into the blacklist array, can just get rid of that for a sec. Then we cycle by 1 second. So every time we create a new position, we're adding something to the blacklist. So what this should mean is that for a period of time, until there's no more space left, we shouldn't get any overlaps. I'll just times full speed. And after a while, when there's no more space left, it will revert to the centre of the map. So that's it. Because this is looping, this is constantly laying in a new position, which obviously is not good. But using the top left and the bottom right, you can create safe zones around your positions. So the thing that got me was the creation of 2 points on the position you want to create a blacklisted safe zone around. Take those 2 points, put them in an array, and then take that array and put it into a blacklist array. So it's nested.